1/6 scale folding pocket knives. But before we get started, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. I got these 3 small folding pocket knives in a trade box I got from a few friends. They're all metal. They're kind of in a bronze or brass color, and they actually fold. I found some on Wish, but I'm not really sure of the quality. Might be something that we could check out at a later date. I think that'd be cool. But these are perfect to fit into a pocket or a survival pack or something for your action figure. I think that'd be a cool way to add a level of realism to your action figures. Having this small thing in your action figures loadout. I think that'd be neat. Thanks for checking it out. Thanks for watching. Click that like button if you liked this video. It really helps the channel out. Drop a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.